everybody, it's your girl Nijah, aka Air Fryer Bay and Sisters in the Kitchen, because today we're getting ready to make some zucchini air fried chips. Like, if you like me, you like some zucchini, but like me too, I ain't never had them in the chips. So that's what we're gonna try today. Shout out to Kelly's Cooking for the recipe inspo. Now without further ado, let's get on into this recipe. She's your queen to be. What movie is that? If you know me, you know that's my favorite movie, and you better tell me the truth. What is the name of the movie? Alright, so step one, you're going to take your zucchini and then you're going to cut it. I mean, how easy is that? And by the way, Sis did a great job cutting these slices, didn't she? You don't want them too thick, too thin, just right. Okay? I'm only making half, so I just put the rest in the bag. You put it in the refrigerator. Okay? So here are all the ingredients that I'm going to be using today. Starting off with these breadcrumbs. They're whole wheat and seasoned. I also have some plain panko. I have some all-purpose flour, and I got the Slap Your Mama because I will be seasoning up my flour. Again, I'm keeping up with Kelly's cooking recipe. She also used some Parmesan grated cheese. I'm adding in the garlic powder and 2 eggs, and I'm fancy today because I'm finally using my measuring cups. I mean, my little measuring cups. You can tell I don't use them. But anyway, usually I just eyeball stuff, but today I'm gonna use my cups and my bowl, so stay tuned. In this clip, all I'm doing is taking my zucchini chips and dropping them in the batter, going through the process. I won't show you all of them, but I did show you 2, how we just gonna fully coat these and prep them so that they can be ready to be air fried. Okay? Alright guys, so we're at the halfway mark, so they're looking real cute. Okay, so I'm gonna flip these bad boys over and cook them for the remaining 5 minutes. Alright guys, so we're on the last minute of these zucchini air fried chips, and I realized that I made a mistake. I was supposed to dip the zucchini in the flour first and then the egg. I did it the other way around, and I wasn't about to throw away no food because I didn't realize it until I was midway dippage. So I'm like, we just gonna go with it and see what happens. So we're on this last minute. Also, my next video is going to be my air fried tilapia, which is going to be the fish that I have to go with these air fried chips. So you're definitely gonna want to stay, that's like a tongue twister. You're gonna want to stay tuned for that video. So let's see. They look good to me. All right, so I'm gonna get me some ranch dressing and we're gonna do a taste test. Hi. All right, guys, so our zucchini is all plated up and we're getting ready to give one a try. All right. Oh, sorry, couldn't see the plate. All right, so here we go. Nice and crunchy on the outside. And very tender in the inside, well, in the middle. These are good. We're gonna eat one more before I go on and make my tilapia, y'all. I'm trying to tell y'all, if y'all don't have an air fryer, like, listen, y'all need an air fryer. And that's all I'm gonna say about that. Until the next video, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.